Welcome to Arabic for Americans. My name is Walid Frage, and I'll be taking care of you through this course. I want to introduce you first to the Arabic language, and then I want to introduce you to this course. The first thing is, why is it important to learn a new language? We have a saying in Arabic, كل لسان بإنسان. It means whenever you learn a new language, you become a new person. Because not only you will learn the language itself, but you will learn the culture that that language lives in. Now, in terms of Arabic language is one of the oldest languages. It has survived for hundreds of years. When Europe was in the Dark Ages, the Arabs were in the Golden Ages. And the Arabs took all the Greek literature, the Roman literature, they translated all the philosophies, math, and then they invented more things, including one thing that you're familiar with is called algebra. Algebra is really an Arabic word that means al-jabr. Al-jabr is putting fractions together. Until now in the Arabic word, when someone breaks their arm, you say tijbir. Tijbir is putting the fractions together. Now I want to talk about the course itself. We're going to try to make this course in segments. And the segments will be roughly between 3 maybe to 7 minutes each. The first thing I want to introduce you to when we start the course is the Arabic alphabets. Now, the Arabic alphabets is of course used in the Arabic language, but also it was borrowed by other languages. So you will see Farsi, which is a language used in Iran, uses the Arabic script. The language in Afghanistan, Afghani, they use the Arabic script. The language in Pakistan, which is Urdu, is also using the Arabic script. Now, what we're going to do first, when we start the course, I will introduce you to the letters themselves. And Arabic has 28 letters. The shape of the letter changes whether it's in the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word. So what I'm going to do when we start, I'm going to show you different words with the same letter as it is represented in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the word. And then as we're going through the alphabets, you will start learning some Arabic words. And once we finish all the alphabets, you should have probably 100, 150 words to start working on to make some sense of the language itself. After that, we'll talk about some grammar related to the Arabic language, how you can make some sentences. We have to talk about the verbs. We have to talk about the sentence structure itself. Some sentences in Arabic don't have a verb. Some do have a verb. We'll talk about all these kinds of grammatical structures. Before we start with the letters, though, I want to talk with you about how important it is to be a good student for this course. The first thing I want you to do is get a composition book. Any composition book will do, but it has to be lined to where you can write everything I'm writing on the board. And then you can go over the video over and over. I will estimate for each segment, you probably need to spend half an hour to 1 hour to try to memorize the letters, the way they are connected, the words that I'm going to teach you, the meanings of the words, and the way you will say them. So that's very important. Now we're going to start with the alphabet.